Hi, welcome back to another feature spotlight video. Today we're going to be covering the Norcold N10DC 12V refrigerator. With me today is Joe Hosinski with Norcold, and Joe's going to run us through the operational features of this refrigerator.
Thanks, Dave. The 10DC was designed to be very easy to operate by the consumer. It's very simple to use and it's very easy to turn on and off. In order to turn on the refrigerator, all the controls are in the digital control center in the top of the refrigerator. You hold the on button for 3 seconds and it'll turn on. There are separate temperature controls for the refrigerator and the freezer, all controlled through the control panel. It's preset from the factory at level 4 and level 3, but then you can modify it to your taste. So if you want it colder, you can make it colder. There's settings between 0 and 5, 5 being the coldest. So if you want to make your freezer colder, you press the freezer button and then you push the positive plus button to get to setting number 5. Same for the refrigerator, that's indicated with this mark down here. Push this button, hold it, and then you can change your temperature controls. The nice thing about this refrigerator is it has memory. So once you set it to your liking, after you power down the refrigerator and have your unit in storage, it comes back to where you had preset it before. So if you like setting 5, next time you turn it on, it'll be setting 5. Another great feature of this refrigerator is it has a night mode. And what the night mode does is reduces the compressor speed to reduce the decibel levels that are generated by the refrigerator. So if someone's sleeping in the dinette or in the fold out, it reduces the noise in the coach. It's pre-programmed for 8 hours. So all you do is press this moon button on the control panel. You see the indication T8, and that means that it's been programmed for 8 hours. So by reducing the compressor speed, it knocks the decibel levels down from 34 to 31. That's quieter than the library. The startup procedure for the refrigerator is very simple to perform. Once you get your unit out of storage, you want to plug in through a landline, your shoreline, turn on the refrigerator, and wait about 3 hours. It takes about 3 hours for the refrigerator and the freezer to get the temperature. After 3 hours, you can load your food and be ready to travel. This refrigerator was designed specifically for RV use and it has features that you'll love. The doors have positive latches on it, so you have to operate the doors, you push the button, hold it, and pull it open. There are slam latches, so when you close the refrigerator door, it latches automatically. That way it won't open during transportation or while you're driving to your campsite. The Norcold refrigerators have been designed to maximize storage, and what you'll see inside your new refrigerator is adjustable glass shelves. They're locked in place with a screw. You can release the screw and change the shelf to adjust how you like your food to be stored. Clear bins in the freezer door. Same with the refrigerator, glass shelves, an adjustable middle shelf, so for milk jugs, wine bottles, and tall bottles, and clear crisper trays. All these shelves are also adjustable, but then you lock them back in place while you're traveling so they don't bounce around.